Hello y'all, today we're going to make salt and pepper fish, and if you're sensitive to gluten or you have celiac disease, do not worry, this dish is perfect for y'all. Now here are the ingredients. My vegetable of choice is snow pea leaves, and this is one of my favorite combination with salt and pepper fish. What I have here is catfish, and y'all can use any type of fish, but I personally like using catfish for this dish. Also, fun fact, according to the FDA, here are the recommendations of how much fish a person needs weekly. So I cut the fish into 1 by 2 inches, and I added the mixture into the bowl, and I make sure that every part of the fish is coated into the mixture. Now let's begin cooking. So what I did first, I turned on the stove to high heat. I added oil into the pan and I let it sit there until the oil becomes really hot. Also, a quick tip, as you can see in this video, I use a wooden chopstick to check the temperature, and if you see like your chopstick begins to bubble on the bottom, it means it's ready. And if you do not have chopsticks, don't worry. You can add in like a dash of flour, and if the oil sizzles, then you're ready to go. Usually I cook the fish about 3 minutes on each side, and that gives a really good golden color that y'all need. And in between each flipping, I add in salt and pepper to taste. On another skillet, add in garlic, snow pea leaves, salt and pepper, and I let that stir fry until the snow pea leaves looks a little bit glossy. Fun fact, snow pea leaves are a good source of fiber. To wrap up this dish, I saute green onions for about a couple minutes, and I set it to a side to garnish the fish. Here are the recommended servings, and according to MyFitnessPal, here are the nutrition facts. And that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.